Squishy time! Hey guys, it's me, Pooja here, and today I'm just going to be talking about this squishy, and yeah. So, it's a bit wrinkly, but we'll talk about that in the video. It also has like a keychain to it, which I like. And let's just get on into the video. So guys, there's just one more thing I wanted to say. It was that please make sure to go check out the videos I did with this squishy, and this squishy. Okay, anyway, let's just get on to the video. So, wait. Why do I have the wrong squishy? Oh no, wait. Sorry guys, I got the wrong squishy. So I actually got the squishy for my birthday from my neighbor, and it's a bit wrinkled because it came all the way from Cambodia, and it must have gotten wrinkled from the flight. So this texture is actually not bad. It's not super slow rising, but it is slow rising, and I really like the texture of how much it squishes, and the face is also cute. So guys, now it's time to do final thoughts about this squishy. And the first thing is like the texture is not bad. I really like it, and the colors and the face is also nice. But it's not so squishy, but it's still nice. And yeah. Color is also nice, and you guys also comment down below what you think about this squishy. Guys, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So for now,